What's going on, guys? I believe I found the issue. If you do not see this on your TV, it's because you do not have the new firmware update. Thanks for a few guys in my comments. You guys have been very helpful and very supportive. Really good vibes. I love you guys. Thanks for all the subscriptions. But anyhow, let's get back into this. So HDMI 2.1, it's only available for your number 3 and number 4 HDMI ports, number 3 and number 4. And I heard some of you guys bought this TV, and let me go back to it. Settings, watching TV, yada yada. HDMI format. Okay, so I heard a lot of you guys are going into these HDMI 3 and 4, and this does not show up. There's a way to fix this. Thanks to my comments from you guys. You guys educated me on the fact that you can manually put the update onto a flash drive and plug it into the Sony X900H TV and manually upload the firmware. So if you guys want to come over here, I have it up already. Okay. Firmware update to v6.0384. And it looks like this is for the 85-inch, the 75-inch, the 65-inch, and the 55-inch. So if you have any of these TVs within this model, this is what you got to do. Pretty much download it. You read all this. I'm not sure you're going to read all this, but anyhow. And you press download. And that's the website right there. I'm going to have it linked below in the description. But you're pretty much going to download this zip file onto a USB drive, which you can hook up into there. Then once it downloads, you're going to come right over here. And if you see, this is from the left side of the TV. It's going to be right in there. Sorry, I don't have a flashlight, but it's all the way in the top. That's your USB. So you're going to plug into your TV. It should populate the firmware. Okay? So I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you guys had any success. I know there's a whole lot of you guys not being eligible to play at 4K 120 hertz, which probably sucks, because that's the whole point. You probably bought this thing for the graphics and the 120 hertz. Anyhow, gonna be uploading some 4K gaming. I can only record in 4K 60 hertz, but you can kind of get the idea of how it looks like playing on the Sony X900H. But once again, comment below. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care. Enjoy.